Imagine sitting on your couch and suddenly realizing you left a file open on your computer. What if you could control your PC right from your phone, move the mouse, type, open apps, even shut it down, all without touching it? Well, the good news is you can. And it's completely free. Let's talk about how to control your computer from your smartphone using a free app called Chrome Remote Desktop. Here's how it works. This tool connects your phone and your computer through your Google account. Once connected, your phone becomes a wireless controller for your PC, anywhere in the world, as long as both devices are online. Step 1. On your computer, open Google Chrome and go to remotedesktop.google.com/access. Install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension and choose Set up Remote Access. You'll be asked to name your computer and create a PIN. Step 2. On your phone, download the Chrome Remote Desktop app from the Play Store or App Store. Sign in with the same Google account you used on your PC. Step 3. Your computer will appear on the list. Tap to connect, enter your PIN, and boom! You now have full control of your desktop right from your smartphone. You can drag your finger across the screen to move the mouse, tap to click, and use the on-screen keyboard to type anything. You can even open programs, transfer files, and control multiple monitors. This is perfect for white heavy checkmark accessing work files from anywhere. White heavy checkmark helping a friend fix their computer remotely. White heavy checkmark turning off your PC when you forget. White heavy checkmark or just having fun controlling your computer from bed. And the best part? It's secure, free, and works on Windows, macOS, Linux, even Chromebooks. If you want more advanced control, you can also try Microsoft Remote Desktop or AnyDesk, which offer extra features like sound streaming and file sharing. So next time you leave your computer running and walk away, don't panic. Just grab your phone, open the app, and take control like a tech wizard. Because in 2025, your phone isn't just smart. It's your remote control for everything. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.